Hello, dear students. Our next topic is about coastal regions, children. About coastal regions. See, the coastal regions can be divided into the Gujarat plains, western coastal plains, and eastern coastal plains, children. Okay, Gujarat plain, western coastal plain, and eastern coastal plain. The Gujarat plain lies to the south of Thar Desert and it is occupied by the state of Gujarat. Gujarat plain is here, as you can see here. It's a Gujarat plain to the south of Gujarat. Okay, is a Gujarat plain. Kutch Peninsula is a low and level land. It is known as Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch. Then two inlets, Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Cambay or Gulf of Khambat. Two inlets are here, Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. Okay. Then four important rivers are found here: Narmada, Tapni, Sabarmati, Mahi. They drain in the area of Gulf of Cambay. Okay. Then the Kathiawar Peninsula is known as Saurashtra to the south of Kutch, and it is also a level plain. Some hills are found here like Mount Girnar. The coastal area is covered by wind-blown sand and it is formed by alluvial soil. Okay. Then western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain, children, first. This is a western coastal plain and this is a eastern coastal plain. They are divided, as you can see here, they are divided into further parts like Konkan coast, Malabar coast, Coromandel coast, northern Circas. Okay. Then western coastal plain, it lies between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Here is Arabian Sea, children. Here is Arabian Sea. Here in the southern side we have Indian Ocean. Then this side we have Bay of Bengal. Now, this plain, it lies between Western coastal plain. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea and Western Ghat. It lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. It stretches from Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Then the coastal strip of Maharashtra is called as Konkan coast. This strip of Maharashtra is called as Konkan coast. Then in Karnataka, it is called as Konkan coast. As Kanara coast in Karnataka, as Kanara coast. In Karnataka, it is called as Kanara coast. Further south, the Malabar coast. Malabar coast is called in Kerala. Okay. Then there are many lagoons and backwaters all along the coast. There are numerous streams also, children. Then we have the eastern coastal plain. The eastern coastal plain, it extends from mouth of river Ganga to Kanyakumari. Here we have mouth of river Ganga till Kanyakumari. This is a eastern coastal plain. Then, children, the northern half of coastal plain is called northern Circars. This plain, the northern plain, is called as northern Circars. Then we have the south of it from Nellore to Kanyakumari is known as Coromandel coast. From Nellore to Kanyakumari is known as Coromandel coast. This is Coromandel coast. Then along the eastern coast, eastward flowing rivers are also found here. Many prominent deltas are also found here. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. They are not suitable for harbors. Okay. There are several lakes also. Lake Chilika in Odisha, Koleru in Pulicat in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. They are. So we have, children, eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. We have studied about eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Eastern coastal plain is divided into Konkan coast. Western coastal plain is divided into Konkan coast, Malabar coast. Then here we have northern Circars and Coromandel coast. Here Kutch and Kathiawar. Okay. Here we have Gujarat plain, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain, children. Okay. So we have studied about the coastal region which lies near the coast, about Gujarat plain, eastern coastal plain, and western coastal plain. Gujarat plain lies to the south of Thar Desert. Then we have western coastal plain. It lies between Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Eastern coastal plain. It extends from the mouth of Kanyakumari. It extends from the mouth of Ganga to Kanyakumari. Okay.